So you're interested in getting your wheels taken care of with a ceramic coating. We would love to help you with this package. We have our wheel face package that we talked about, and then we have our wheel off detail package. We're gonna actually take off that wheel. We're gonna clean in the lug nuts, the spokes, the barrels as best as possible. We're actually gonna clean up the wheel well a little bit more now that we have access to it. We're gonna put ceramic coating on that caliper, the barrel, the face, as much of that interior wheel area as we can. And then we're gonna put those wheels back on, tighten them to specs. And this is really gonna protect those interior of that barrel, the caliper. But the biggest part of it is gonna be nice and easy to clean those up later when we do maintenance. If you're interested in this package, other packages, give us a call today. We can add this to it and help you keep those wheels nice and clean.